Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max. Super quick walk around this BMW 4 Series F33 right behind me. Hey. This has just been in for an audio upgrade where we replace the front speakers in the doors, the under seats, the rear speakers, and we even add an amplifier. So I'm just going to give you a little walk around this car just before it goes back to the customer who's collecting in a second. We're going to go around to the boot of the vehicle. Not a lot of room in a convertible, so there's not going to be any subwoofers down the line in this car. So we're doing something a little bit different, although some people are doing quite a bit of it out there. But we've got under seats running as subwoofers in this car. They're running in mono. Not normally my preferred method, but you do get a bit more bass from underneath. But in mid-bass there is stereo information. So this box and this box here, these two are the under seat speakers, which are these things. They go underneath the seats in the factory housings. We have these here, the AP BMW K4Es. These are the front components which go in the front doors of the vehicle. We've added tweeters, which I'm going to show you in a second. Back here is the rear speakers, which are just behind the rear speaker grille. So we've got upgraded speakers in the back. And we've got here a 5-channel amplifier, the SR 5.600. Now that amplifier is actually living under here, just underneath there. Sorry, there's a little bit of dust over there. But under there is where the 5-channel lives in this car, so not taking up any valuable space because space isn't of, well, there's not much space in the convertible basically. So now you've seen all the equipment, I'm just going to give you a little show around the car. So jumping into the front of the vehicle, everything still looks factory. Nothing has changed, but what actually has changed is these here are OEM Harman Kardon mounts from BMW, and our new Audison tweeters are fitted inside here. So we've got the tweeters inside here, the mid-range behind those grills, all wired in, and then in the back of the car we've got the rear speakers, which are here. So you've got 2 channels on the amps to run the rear speakers, 2 channels on the amp to run the front mids and tweeters left and right, and then the 5th channels are being used to run the under seat speakers. Under seat speakers are fit under the seats come out, there's a grill under there. Sorry, can't really show you on the video, but we fitted a new speaker underneath there, put a bit of soundproofing in the housing, helps to get the most out of speaker, and we do that in the same on the doors. Don't know if you're going to pick this up on the camera, but a few knocks on that. That is a soundproof panel. Tapping pretty similar. Those panels are ringing a little bit more. We've concentrated on the front doors for this particular customer, but the soundproof is going to help create the best environment for those speakers. Now, this car started its life as a bass system, so it just had 2-way speakers in the front doors, 2-way in the back, and the under seats, which are 6 inches. So now it has 8 inches underneath the seats, component set of speakers in the front, and a new upgraded coax set in the rear, run by the amplifier. The amplifier is quite a key part in this upgrade because that's going to help give this system power. And what does power give you? Power pretty much equals output, quality and clarity at louder volumes. So that pretty much sums up this system. He's got a lot better, more quality clarity sound with these tweeters. He's much better separation of the trebles, and same with the basses. Those under seats are able to play down a bit lower. There is also a little addition we've added to this system where in this pocket down here we've added a little control. Bit hard to see, but there's a control in this pocket that the customer can use to adjust the bass coming from the under seats in case he wants to tune it on the fly depending on his mood, what music's playing or who's in the car. So as that's going to be his main bass drive for this, we've given a little bit of a dial, so just gives him a bit more control of the under seats and what they do. So but yeah, honestly, I've had a bit of a listen myself. It's got a much nicer, crispier sound, more output, so you can go louder, which is generally what you need when you've got a convertible, because when you've got that top off, it's going to really drown away the rest of the sound. So having the amplifier speakers and the amplifier, he's going to listen to music in harmony now when he's driving around the top down. So that's pretty much it. My name's Max from John Cleese. This is an Audison BMW package that we have on our website. So if you want to look at similar packages, You can check that out. This isn't quite the exact package, it's slightly altered, but we can alter and tailor a package for your wants and needs. So thanks for watching this video from John Cleese. Any questions, hit us in the links in our bio or comment down below. Take care and goodbye.